Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I wanted to be able to check the fuel pressure on this car, and there is a special Honda setup you can buy. There, that bolt right there, that little cap thing, right there, that's where you check the fuel pressure. And there's a threaded shish kebab you can put on there, but I went to the wrecking yard the other day and I got that fitting right there. It's threaded there, well, kinda. There's a tool you can buy to put on there. Well, I decided to take a Schrader valve, like brass, and this size right here, can't remember the dimension on that, 247 I do believe it was, something like that. Anyway, I bored it clear through to that thread, or excuse me, to that size, and took the threads out for that bolt. And now we effectively, let me take the cap off here, have a fuel check port, just like most of the OBD2 vehicles does. Silver soldered that on there, cleaned it all up real good. So now we can check our fuel pressure. Let's try it, see if it works. I'll bring you back. Let me put that in there. Hang on. Alright folks, got it in there. Now we got a regular old Schrader type fuel port, and instead of that, I did look in the book and I was wrong. The test tool actually threads into that hole right there. I'm not sure what those threads are for. Irregardless though, you can get a 17 mil wrapped around that. I'll pull you back. There you go. Get a 17 mil wrapped around that real easily. Just like that. And then that's 12 mil. It fits in there. And that's your pressure check, service port, whatever. And then you got to have a device that goes screws in there, and I just know I did that and it works great. Well, let's see if it works great. I don't know yet. It looks great, and I got a little brass cap, and so let's hook the gauge up and see what it says. I did look in the book and it's supposed to be from 33 to 39 pounds of pressure here. Let's give it a roll. Hang on. Alright folks, looks like we got it in there, and it says it's got 30 pounds. 30 pounds of pressure. The book says 33 to 39. It jumps up a little when you rev it up. The regulator will take care of that. But anyway, that looks good. Let me shut it off. So now I can test my fuel pressure. Sorry about the shaky shakes, guys. Now we can test the fuel pressure on this thing. You see, it's dropping. I have to check into that to see if that's normality. See right there, it's sitting about 26 pounds. There you go, guys. I'm gonna let that sit there and see if that drops. I would think that it should stay right where, you know, about 30. Alright, hang on, we'll bring you back. I'll show you the conclusion and see if that moves. Alright folks, we're back, and it's been quite a while, and if anything, it's actually grown some. So I'll have to do some researching in the book there and see if that's Oh, what it's supposed to do, I think that is about right. But anyway, that'll make it so cinchy to check the fuel pressure on there. See if you got a failing pump, something in the tank type setup. Anyway, that'll be a lot better. And it was real easy to make. All I needed to do was go to the wrecking yard and get that other fitting and another one. I mean, I could have used the one I had, but in case of an epic fail, I wanted the part to be able to be put back in. And I still have it, but it works. All right, guys, turn you around here. Been feeling a little janky. UC is really kicking my butt, but we're getting by. Take care. Love y'all. And I'll give you an update on mother-in-law. Hang in there. Love y'all. Bye-bye.